Kasalukuyan po nagbibigay ngayon ng pahayag ang abogado ni Napoles na si Attorney Lorna Capunan. Pakinggan po natin.
Gumagawa ng mga needles, syringe, not they're disposable. No? So, yun lang ang hinihingi namin. As a matter of fact, the husband has gone home. Just so...
Yung request nyo po na meron siyang assistant sa loob ng detention house.
Yes, because she is the one monitoring. Because ang doktor dyan lalaki, ano? Hindi naman pwedeng 24/7 yung doktor sa tabi niya, no? And sometimes nga she self-injects herself, no? And it is this personal assistant who prepares it. Yun lang, no? It has nothing to do with comfort. It has nothing... Sa pinsan niya, personal assistant niya, pinsan. So, the husband has already gone home. Just so maalis na yung issue na special treatment na yan. Although, since bahay niya ni Erap, let me remind everybody that when Erap was convicted, let me say, convicted, not detained. She's being detained, she's not convicted. He had his wife and he had Senator Jinggoy with him.
Attorney, nag-file daw kayo ng motion to quash doon sa CA. Ano pong tingin nyo makuquash itong sinasabi nga na warrant of arrest laban po kay Ms. Napoles?
Tatlo ang final natin sa judge, no? Sa RTC judge. Number one is a motion to inhibit the judge because of the undue haste, the suspicious circumstances within which he decided with undue haste yung motion, no? Ito po yung final ng lawyer ng kapatid niya. Kami po nag-file ng urgent motion for judicial determination of probable cause and to defer issuance of the warrant of arrest. Yun ang final namin. At ang ifa-file namin ngayon because nag-set for arraignment on September 9. Hindi po pwede mag-set ng arraignment because nakapending pa yung issue na yan. We had filed with the Court of Appeals an injunction at ang sabi ng Court of Appeals, binigyan ng 10 days ang respondent, Secretary of Justice at ang judge, at binigyan rin kami ng 5 days to comment on to reply to the comment. No? So nakapending pa yan. I think there is a long line of jurisprudence that says the judges should go slow and give deference or due respect to the Court of Appeals because it is a higher court. So hindi po magiging special treatment kung dinefer nga yung judge ang arraignment na yan. There is also the logistical problem of bringing Mrs. Napoles to the RTC Makati and from the RTC Makati back. I don't think that the SAF, competent though they are, I don't think that they have the logistics to transport her back and forth.
Ma'am,
No?
given that, you agree with Senator De Leon na dito naganapin lahat ng mga hearings ni Ms.
No, as regards the illegal detention, remember, she is here because of the illegal detention. We are